These 5 hacks will help you improve your videos. Also, they get more and more interesting as we move along, so be sure to stick till the end. Let's start with our favorite one. Rather than using the spacebar key while editing to play and pause, use the J, K and L keys. Not only you will be able to play back in reverse, but also be able to play back in twice as more speed. This will help you edit faster and more efficiently. Softboxes are expensive, but you cannot ignore it as lighting is an important part of filming. Imagine shooting without lights. So I use light bulbs to light my scene. But there is a major disadvantage with light bulbs that the light from it looks pretty harsh. So you can make it look identical to a softbox by simply using some tissue papers around it, which will give a nice softer look. Mobile recording is not the highest quality recording that you can get, but if you have no other option than to use your mobile to shoot, then you can improve the recording of your mobile by simply downloading this app called Open Camera. This app has multiple features in its video settings page where you can customize custom frame rates, get custom bit rates, and also custom resolutions. This is very useful if you are using multiple devices, or also if you want to get the best out of your device. You can shoot up to 50 Mbps video, which is way better of a control than the default camera app. Also, you can have consistent frame rates across multiple devices if you are doing some serious work. When starting out on YouTube, if you don't have the budget of buying a tripod, you can simply use your smartphone or any other cardboard box to use it as a tripod. Simply make cuts and fit your phone in the groove and start filming. Movies look awesome because they are shot on manual focus. Now, you cannot tell whether you are in focus or not on that small LCD screen on your DSLR. Rather, you can use this software called Camera Connect and Control. This software helps you connect your phone wirelessly to the camera and use it as a live preview for seeing whether you are in focus or not. Also, you can manage photos on your camera via your phone, which is pretty handy. So this makes the whole process a lot easier. Also, if you want to learn more about filming and improve your videos, so subscribe to my channel because that's what I do. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.